Hi, it's Ms. Loconto. I've got another story for you. This one is for all of you who like dinosaurs. It's called Munch, Crunch, Dinosaur Lunch. Or, oh, I've said it wrong. Crunch, Munch, Dinosaur Lunch. Let's see what the dinosaurs are eating for their lunch. Crunch, Munch, Dinosaur Lunch by Paul Bright, illustrated by Michael Terry. Ty was big and Ty was mean. He had a big, big mouth with big, big jaws and big, big teeth and big, big claws. Yeah, that's me, said Ty, Tyrannosaurus. His roar echoed around the swamp so that the other dinosaurs trembled in their tummies. Roar! Can you do a big roar? Roar! Terry was small, and Terry was sweet. She had a tiny, tiny mouth with tiny, tiny jaws and tiny, tiny teeth and tiny, tiny claws. And she loved her big brother more than any Tyrannosaurus has ever been loved. Wavoo, Tyrannosaurus, gurgled Terry. Stay in your nest, pest, said Ty. I've got hunting to do. Ty stomped through the swamp. The ground sploshed and quaked and quivered, and the dinosaurs heard and shook and shivered. I'm hungry, roared Ty. I'm biggest, I'm baddest, and I'm ready to eat. I need some fresh Stegosaurus meat. He opened his big, big mouth and... Hugoo, Tyrannosaurus, burbled Terry, wrapping her arms around his huge leg. Ty sighed as he saw his Stegosaurus breakfast paddle off through the swamp, snickering. You shouldn't be here, Squirt, he hissed. Get back to your drooling, now stay away. And he stomped off, snorting. Aw, Ty's not very nice to his little sister. But she did kind of spoil it. He was going to surprise the Stegosauruses. And little Terry spoiled his plans. Ty searched in the swamp. The dinosaurs ran and hid. They peered through the reeds and peeked from behind rocks. But it's not easy to hide when you're a dinosaur. I'm starving, roared Ty. I'm biggest, I'm baddest, and I'm ready for lunch. I need Triceratops bones to crunch. He bared his big teeth and... Kissoo, Tyrannosaurus, slobbered Terry, planting a wet, sloppy kiss on his huge cheek. Ah, not again. Ty moaned as he saw his Triceratops lunch plodding through the trees, laughing. You crawling, bawling bug, he growled. Get back to your slurping and burping. Now leave me alone. Off he stormed, snarling. Well, he's really not nice to his little sister. Ty crept through the swamp, quiet as quiet. The other dinosaurs stayed still as still, and even the leaves stopped rustling. But a dinosaur can't stay still for long. Ty heard a movement in the trees and saw a long, long neck. I am ravenous, roared Ty. I'm biggest, I'm baddest, and I need a treat. Diplodocus steak looks tasty to eat. He roared a big, big roar and... Cuckle-oo, Tyrannosaurus, cooed Terry. Ty groaned, ugh, as his Diplodocus steak waddled into the reeds, chuckling. You spoiling, sniffling, dribbling, burbling, gurgling pest, he bellowed. I've had nothing to eat all day because of you. Grrr, I'm going home. Ty stomped off through the swamp, then pounded across the plain in a great temper. Terry watched him getting further and further away. Then she sat down in a heap and howled. Thud, thud, thud. Suddenly the ground trembled. Tyrannosaurus, squeaked Terry. Is he coming back? But it wasn't. It was Spinosaurus. Terry screamed, "Ah!" Spinosaurus was huge, bigger even than her brother Ty. He had a huge, huge mouth with huge, huge teeth, and his mouth was opening wider and wider. Don't you touch my baby sister! Ty roared and raged. He charged and chased, and Spinosaurus turned and ran as fast as his lumbering legs could go. Ah, thank goodness Ty is here. Then Ty reached down and scooped up Terry in his big brotherly arms. He hugged his special, very annoying pest of a sister more tightly than any Tyrannosaurus has ever been hugged. "Woovoo, Tyrannosaurus," gurgled Terry. "Woovoo too, Terry Tyrannosaurus," said Ty with a big, big smile. "Now let's find some dinner." That's the end. The brother and sister learned to look out for each other and help each other. That's really nice. I hope you're helpful too. Bye.